Welcome to modern living at its finest. This stunning 2-year young home is ready for its close-up and ready for you. With 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car attached garage, quality craftsmanship shines in every corner. Step inside and feel the difference. Soaring 10-foot ceilings in the foyer, great room, kitchen, and nook create an expansive, airy vibe, while oversized windows bathe every room in natural light. The open concept design connects the great room and kitchen seamlessly, perfect whether you're hosting game day or enjoying a quiet morning coffee. The kitchen is a showstopper. Generous soft close cabinetry, a massive corner walk-in pantry for all your Costco hauls, and a dream-worthy 5.5 by 4 island with bar seating that's practically begging for breakfast conversation or cocktail hour. Retreat to your primary suite, Sanctuary, complete with a luxurious double vanity ensuite bath and walk-in closet that finally gives your wardrobe the space it deserves. 2 additional bedrooms offer endless possibilities: guest rooms, home office, craft studio, or that gym you keep promising yourself. But wait, there's more. Step out onto the 15 by 12 covered rear porch and discover your new favorite spot for morning coffee, evening relaxation, or watching the seasons change in total comfort. All this in a thoughtfully designed newer neighborhood built for how we actually live today. Ready to experience the comfortable life? Call Jim Owen and make this home yours.